In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you earn 5% cashback on Walmart Plus membership fee. Let's get started. First, launch your Walmart app or navigate to the website of Walmart, provide your credentials and log into your account. Then go to Walmart Plus membership settings and check how your billing is being paid. To qualify for 5% cashback, you typically need to pay using an eligible rewards credit card that offers cashback on online or subscription purchases. Next, make sure your payment method is updated under wallet or payment methods. Add a qualifying credit card that gives you 5% cashback or a similar rewards category for online retail or subscriptions. Once that card is set as your default payment method, your Walmart Plus renewal charge will be processed to it, and the cashback will be applied by your card issuer, not Walmart directly. It's also important to check your credit card terms because the 5% cashback benefit depends on a bank or a card program, not Walmart itself. Some cards may only offer 5% in specific categories or rotating rewards, so eligibility can vary. Once everything is set, your Walmart Plus membership fee will automatically earn rewards whenever it renews, as long as the payment method qualifies. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.